Hello everyone and welcome to the CompTIA Instructor Network. I'm Steven Schneider, and over the course of the next few minutes I want to introduce you to the network and the tools available for communication and resources. The CompTIA Instructor Network is a worldwide community of instructors that prepare candidates to sit for CompTIA certifications. The mission is to provide a way for instructors to connect and collaborate with each other in CompTIA. The goal is to be able to share experiences and resources to increase the success of candidates with CompTIA certification. As a member of the CompTIA Instructor Network, you have the opportunity to share best practices and resources with one another, communicate and collaborate with CompTIA staff as well as other instructors. Participants also receive free training and tools from CompTIA to enhance training as well as resources for students to understand the value of certification. Currently, there are 3 resources for the network. First is the CIN webpage located at comptia.org/CIN. This is how instructors may request to join the group, so please feel free to send a link to other CompTIA instructors so they may request to join. Second is the LinkedIn group page where most of our collaboration will take place. Third is the box. This is where we'll find resources to download and use in our instruction. Let's take a look at these resources, starting with LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn main page. Once I have been accepted to the CIN group, I can always go to the group page by looking under Interests and selecting Groups. From the group page, this provides me a list of all the groups I'm currently members of. All I need to do is click on the link for the CompTIA Instructor Network logo, and this will take me to our main page. Once I'm on the CompTIA Instructor Network main page, I want to click on About. The About page gives me an overview of the CIN network. Take a few minutes please and look at the group rules. All members are encouraged to follow the rules when posting content to the site. Group moderators have the right to remove content deemed inappropriate and block access to members. As mentioned, the purpose of this site is to allow instructors to make connections and find solutions to query and resources. So please be respectful of other members and avoid spam or promotional messages. On the main navigation bar, you also see a link for jobs. Please post any positions in this area and not in the general discussion forums. Also, if you're having discussions over jobs, please keep the postings relative to instructor-related positions. LinkedIn is similar to other social media sites in that as you scroll down the page, you will see threads of current discussions. The first discussion is the introduction area. Please take a minute and post an introduction about yourself and read some of the other introductions posted by other instructors. To make a post, simply scroll down to the end of the discussion to the text box. You will see that it's noted Add a Comment. Type in the comment that you would like to add to the discussion and click Comment. This adds your comment as a post to the current thread. If you would like to see other comments that have been made about the post, please click on See All Comments. That will expand the discussion thread out so you can see everyone's posts. Discussions are divided up into topic area. Current topics include Project Plus, CTT Plus, Cafe, which is an open area of discussion not tied to other topics. This is a good area for questions and suggestions. Security Plus, a Network Plus, A Plus, and a Technical Frustrations area for those discussions about areas of difficulty that you encounter when teaching CompTIA certifications. This is a great place for answers and suggestions. More discussions will follow based on interest areas from the group. As you can see, there are discussions already underway, so jump in and join the conversation, or post an area of interest you would like to see. While LinkedIn is a great place to connect and find answers and share solutions, we are using Box to organize and host resources for group members. Anytime you want to access any resources, simply click on the box. Navigate to our site. From this main page, you can select the CompTIA certification resources. Once inside, you see the resources that are already available. Again, resources are organized by certification. There is a miscellaneous folder for general resources not tied to certifications. Clicking on a resource of interest will allow you to either open the resource if it's a PDF file, play it if it's a video, or download it if it's another form of resource. You may also click on the download link to download the file to your local computer. You may also click the download link to download all of the contents in the folder down to your local computer. If you want to change the way resources are displayed in the window, click on the View Options button and change from List View to Icon View. As resources are shared by network members, we will continue to post them inside the box. Speaking of new content, be on the lookout for webinars. As part of the CompTIA Instructor Network, you have access to exclusive webinars. There are currently 3 series that will be starting soon and more on the way. First is the Deep Dive. In this series, we take a deeper look at CompTIA certifications, what is covered in the certification, and discussion on key objectives. Second is the Instructor Spotlight. We want to recognize greatness in action. This series will introduce great instructors and what they do in the classroom to lead students to success and certification. If you know an instructor that is making a difference, we want to hear about them. Third is the Pulse. What is going on in the real world? Sometimes as instructors, it is hard to stay up with how technology is changing overall and how it is changing our lives. This series will bring in experts to open up discussion about what is happening with technology and what it means for various CompTIA certifications. Look for the logos in the discussion areas in LinkedIn. This will allow you to be able to click on a link and register for the series. This has been a quick overview of working with LinkedIn and the box. If at any time you have any questions, please either post them in the forum or email us at cin@comptia.org. And we look forward to seeing you online.